Hi, how are you? Welcome to our my channel. You have got nail. You have got nail is a nail blog about the all things liqueur, especially Australian and Asian liqueurs. Polished advance. You have got nail is written by Jesse. In unrepentant liqueur lovers and collectors from Australia. Though a high-ranking executive is one of Australian largest complex and a marriage mother of two young boys. Jessie found spare time to share her passion for nails. At last account, Jessie 300 bottles of polish. Nailing it. You have got nail is update daily. Posters features remarkable manicure and classic disasters. The Nelly News lets member and another bloggers post their fabulous nails on You Have Got Nails. Healthy Nail Blog brought to you by BB Country's Nail Products. Healthy Nail Blogs is dedicated to healthy nail care and more. Polished advance. There is more baby culture promotion than healthy nail advance. On healthy nail blog, but it is an excellent blog non tales. Post features commentary from men on the male nail polish trend, as well as invitations to skill challenges for nail designs. Nail in it. Healthy nail blogs hold to a true. It is a name with posts such as think a nail polish texans. The blog also pay trouble to other nail polish blogs on the web. Even those who don't actually promote BB culture nail products.